Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg and this is a Factory 5 Cobra. This car is absolutely beautiful and a blast to drive. There's a 302 built under the hood, a 5-speed. She is absolutely gorgeous. That red paint is popping. Those gray stripes are unbelievable, outlined with those black stripes. Just a beautiful little car right here, guys. Look at those chrome side pipes. Actually, those are jet coated, and then it looks like stainless heat shield there. We've got the knockoffs here. Now, Factory 5 builds these knockoffs, and they look like real knockoffs, but you know what? You knock that off, and then there's lug nuts underneath there. Very, very cool setup there. Look at the interior here. Now we do have shoulder belts here. It's a 4-point setup here. And then the lap belt. You can either wear just the lap belt or the shoulder belt with the lap belt. We've got the wood steering wheel here. The dash is looking sweet. We got great looking carpeting in here. The upholstery's looking good. The chrome on the roll bar really sets off the red paint too, man. It is beautiful. We got the little bumperettes here. Now back in the race days, that was for the lift. They came in here with the lift, jammed down on it, the ass end flew up, they changed those tires real quick and right back out on the racetrack. You can see all the tin work looking sweet. You can see the shutoff there for the battery. Real easy to get at. There's plenty of room in there. You can get probably a little tent and a couple lawn chairs in there. Of course, we got the fuel fill here, just like they had back in the race days. Look at that red paint, just beautiful. Now here at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do consignment. That means we own this little Cobra, so you can bet we spent the time to check it out before we bought it. Then the first thing we do when we get these cars back here to the shop is we get them up on the lift and we check them all out and inspect them so Tom can answer all your questions. Now, you can call Tom any time of the day or night. Tom answers his phone 7 days a week and practically 24 hours a day. He'll answer all your questions, and if he can't answer your questions, I can. I've got about 35 years of experience in the business, and I'm using all of that experience every day to help you park your dream in your drive. It's Cobra time! Small block, Factory 5, looking good, sounding awesome. This thing is one badass machine right here, guys. Look at that, driving with no hands, Mom. This thing is rocket ship fast, handling like it's on rails. Sounds amazing. I tell you what, I'm always telling you guys, one of my favorite cars to hop in when we're going to a car show. As a matter of fact, I'm headed to a car show tomorrow. I may be rethinking my choice. This thing is sweet, just as smooth as can be. And you know what? We can deliver it anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. We can also help you with financing. Just call Tom. He'll let you know how easy it is. He'll take you through all the paperwork. You don't have to do a thing but make that phone call to Tom. He does all the paperwork for you. And we're really close to the airport. So if you'd like to come in and check us out, we would love to have you. If you'd like to drive in on a Saturday, we are always here, so give us a call. We do have a lot of cars in stock, and we have to move some cars around, so please let us know you're coming in so we can be ready for you. The car's amazing. I mean, I am just barely touching the accelerator, and this thing is like a freaking rocket ship. Now we're coming up on our shop where we're gonna do something that nobody else in the industry does. We're gonna put this car up on the rack so you can see the bottom. Then we're gonna get the hood up so you can check out what's going on under the hood. We're gonna show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision on your Cobra investment. So stick with us. All right, we're underneath this Factory 5 and you can see it was very well kept, very well built. It is beautiful under here. 8.8, 331 gear. It is a Posi. Everything under here is nice and clean. You can see the fuel filter up there. The battery's mounted right here. You can see the frame is beautiful, nicely painted. All the tin work looks good. We've got a T5 5-speed transmission here. It's got a cable clutch. You can see everything under here is beautiful. The jet-coated header's looking sweet. Just everything about the car is amazing. Nice and clean under here. Even the J-pipes are all jet-coated, looking sweet. Coming down off those headers. Headers look nice and clean also. Aluminum radiator, big electric fan, keeping it clean. Not clean, but cool. I'm got clean on my mind. Everything under here is super clean. We do have rack and pinion steering up here. You can see that everything is nice and clean and fully adjustable. You see those upper control arms fully adjustable. On the wheels here, we got those Factory 5 knockoff simulators. Like I said earlier, these knockoffs come off and then the lug nuts are underneath there. They did a beautiful job designing these wheels. You can see there's not a mark on the wheel anywhere. Let's see if I can find the size. There it is, 235/60/15s. Look at those pipes. Aren't they beautiful? Just gorgeous. And then of course they got heat shields on them. Work our way towards the back here. Of course, we got a bunch of rubber on the ground back here because this is where the horsepower meets the ground. 295/50/15s back here. And you can see all the tin work. Look up in that wheel well, how nice and clean everything is up in there, man. It is beautiful. Well, let's lower this baby down and see what's making that pipe right there sing. All right, under the hood here, we've got a 302 with aluminum heads. It's got aluminum intake. It's got a 750 Brawler 4-barrel carburetor on it. It's got aluminum water pump. It's been all polished up. It's got a chrome alternator on it. They've relocated the oil filter right there where it's real easy to change. That was a smart move. You see all the aluminum here is all polished up. There's that cable clutch I was telling you about. The brake master cylinder mounted right here, easy to get at. Everything about this car is beautiful, guys. Like I said, nice and clean under here. Somebody really knew what they were doing when they put this car together. You can tell they really cared and took very good care of it. Guys, call us, 248-974-9513, and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.